Alright guys, today we're gonna unbox the ZiZO brand Venture True Wireless Earbuds, Bluetooth pretty much. This is what the box looks like, the side, the back. So it comes with two Bluetooths. It comes with 10 hours playback, hands-free calling, touch controls, high definition sound, sweat resistance. So, I mean, 10-hour playback's pretty good. And they also come with warranty from ZiZO. Where's that at? I believe it's, where is it at? I don't see it right now. But I believe they have some kind of warranty through their website and stuff like that. So this is what they look like. Let's open them up. So let's open them up. This is the inside. This is the packaging. ZiZO brand on the back. Here are the Bluetooths, the case. There's the cover that's in here. They have a nice little slogan, built for a venture. And thanks for choosing ZiZO. Underneath here we have like some kind of like a booklet or flyer, or probably the manual, like the pairing instructions. Some ear tips, so some replacements, and a cable for charging. So this is all we got in the box. So this is the case. I did open it to check it out. There's the package that's holding it, and here's the Bluetooth. So the case looks like it charges it, just like the AirPods. To pair these, step number one is you want to take them out, and they have this little plastic right here. Let me see if I can show you. This little plastic is going to cover the cover right there. So you want to take these out, take the plastics off. And then to pair them, you'll see two lights. Let me see if I can get them on the... There's two lights on these. There's two blinking lights. Well, to pair them, if they're not pairing, you want, while they're in the case, you want to press 4 times after you take the plastic off, and you'll see two lights. So right now there's two lights. And you can pair them. So right now they're both blinking, so they haven't paired. So what you want to do is you want to put them back in the case. Put them back in the case. Make sure they're in the right spot, because I think these are backwards right now. Yeah, they're backwards because I can't close the case. So you want to put them back in the case. All right, so you want to put them back in the case, and then to pair the Bluetooths together, you'll press 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can bring them out. As you can see right now, they're both blinking. They were both blinking, but when you do this, once it stops, once one stops and only one blinks, that means they're paired together. So now you can go to the phone and pair them. So right now they're paired because only one light's blinking. When we brought them out, 2 lights were blinking. So only one's blinking, so the Bluetooths are paired, the Venture wireless earbuds, they're paired together. So now you can go to your phone and pair them.
Feeling like I fight for the right to be faithful. Tell me I ain't earned this, but I'm grateful. Can't stand sitting back while I'm eating mine, but hate won't put food on the table. Now they all attacking them, cause I'm passionate. Nissan gotta take it to the maximum. Told them I was up next and they laughed at them. So I didn't say shit, I just backed it up. But we'll see who gets the last laugh. Going hard now, no one can stop me. And where I am after all you to talk shit, I got the right to be cocky. On and on, it goes on and on. Got the whole crowd lost in that ambiance. With their hands up, surfing that audience. And the girls